loves, and welcome back. For those of you that are new, welcome. I'm Veronica and I make homemaking motivation here on my channel. Today's video is going to be all about staying home for the holidays. 2020 has been quite a year, and this holiday season may look different for many of us. So I want to give you all the motivation to help you stay home and have the merriest of holidays possible. Today's video is in collaboration with a group of incredible women here on YouTube. We all met through the Brianna K YouTube course, and together we have so much holiday motivation that will help staying home for the holiday just that much easier. So when you're done here, make sure you check out the playlist down below so that you have all the holiday motivation that you need. Today I am going to be sharing a delicious cookie recipe with you to make for your family so that you can have some magical memories in your home.
It's Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this.
For my famous chocolate chip cookie recipe, you are going to need the following ingredients: chocolate chips, vanilla, flour, baking soda, water, eggs, salt, butter, brown sugar, as well as some chocolate chips, and I use crushed pecans. So I'm starting off by measuring out my flour, baking soda, and salt into a mixing bowl, and I'm going to mix that up really well using a whisk.
Somehow we knew that we'd find something true, and that everything would change from now on.
My mixer, I am combining a half of a cup of butter, a third of a cup of sugar, and a third of a cup of brown sugar until it is incorporated really well. Then I will add in my egg, water, and vanilla.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
A quick tip for adding egg to any recipe: actually break the egg into a small glass bowl before adding it into your mixer. This will eliminate the possibility of getting any shell into your mixture.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this.
Once all of my wet ingredients are combined, I'm going to go ahead and add in the dry in small batches until everything is incorporated. And once that's complete, I'll add in the chopped pecans and a lot of chocolate chips. And I just like to use my mixer to go ahead and incorporate those. Some people fold them in, but I don't care if the chocolate chips get crushed. I am using a cookie scoop to measure out my cookie dough balls to make sure they are relatively even in size.
Boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long. Though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. how I missed your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday.
I then will bake them for about 15 minutes in a 350-degree oven.
Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side, what a night. Can you feel it? Oh, girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday.
These classic chocolate chip cookies are great for any time of the year, but I just love them during the holidays as well with an ice cold glass of milk. I'm sure Santa would approve.
Jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday.
The next tip I have for you during this holiday season is to decorate. And I mean really put some festivity around your home. Here I am actually going to go ahead and decorate my master bedroom. For me, there is no better place for me to wind down at the end of the day than in my own room, and I just love decorating it for the holidays. Since so many of us are not going to be able to leave town and visit other extended family, I just really think decorating as much as you can really help lift spirits and help people feel great about the season.
Smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love.
I am a sucker for pillows, let me tell you, but I have to tell you that the best invention are pillow covers. They save so much space and allow you to change up your look throughout the different seasons. So these are just some pillow covers on some couch pillows so that I didn't have to buy new inserts either.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a
And next I am just going to go ahead and put together my little pre-lit flock tree. I grabbed this guy at Walmart for only $27 and I just thought I couldn't beat the price. So it was a perfect little addition to our room this year, and it just brings all the cozy feels when it's lit up at night.
close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
I just love using farmhouse pieces throughout my home and try to incorporate them as much as I can throughout the holidays. So here I'm just attaching a little wreath to a faux window, and then I'm going to add in a throw blanket and throw pillow to my little chair.
Is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
I did share in one of my haul videos that I think I have an addiction to mini Christmas trees, and this is just a small portion of my collection. that I am using to decorate our little TV stand and my husband's dresser.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
I love how cozy my room is feeling now that it is decorated for the Christmas season. And I think with 2020, it's just a nice escape to get wrapped up in the holidays. I don't plan on leaving town. I'm going to be spending a lot of time at home, so there's no better place to have decorated than my own room. So if you did like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me down below. If you're new here, welcome. Please say hello down in the comments. And if anyone is having a tough time or you need a prayer, just drop me a little line down below and I promise I would be happy to pray for you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all in another video. Bye!
Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.